Hi guys, Nelly here with another What Sold video. This is for the month of January that is ending as of today. Um, my sales have been few, um, not anything, in particular. I didn't make my quota. Um, Also, I'm trying to build it up to at least, right now about 4,000 a month. That's take home. So that's what I would like to get for right now and build up from that. So yeah, I missed it by quite some ways, and yeah, um, just trying to stay positive and start just keep stepping forward. That's what I'm trying to do. But I have to be honest, it's very hard. Um, and also I'm doing other things like having several YouTube channels, and I have merch that I've been doing print on demand for a while right now. So I've been cranking up more T-shirts and mugs and blankets and things like that. I've been learning YouTube how to do different types of videos and all that affiliate marketing. So yeah, I've been really trying to make something happen. And like I said, it's just sometimes the road is hard, and being positive and hopeful and stuff is hard. So, yeah, I mean, here's my items that I sold for January. Um, Again, I'm thankful for the orders that I have received, but I really need to make this stuff, disappear for a profit. So let's get started. I'm Nelly. Um, my store is the Pre-Love Vibe. That's across all platforms. And yeah, let's start it off. Number one is PJ Masks plush. These are the ones that talk and sing and light up. Um, I got this from a Facebook Marketplace listing. Um, they had a whole bunch of PJ Masks stuff that they were selling for $30. So I got a couple of lots of PJ Masks items that's in my store, and I've sold some also across the platforms. Um, you know what? I forgot to show what sold on Poshmark and Macari also, so I might have to do those two separate. Um, Sorry guys, I'm a little tired, and yeah. So let's work with the eBay right now. They sold for $68, $14 shipping. Next, we have the Fisher Price Adventure People. Um, this I received free. I have a neighbor around the corner from my house. She's always cleaning out her garage or her basement or whatever, and she put things out, you know, for free where people can come and get them. And make sure every time I take off from the house, I make sure I go around that way to see if there's anything she put out for sale. And so, yeah, I found this one day. I was coming back from a doctor's appointment, and it was a box full of the Venture People So this right here, I have that listed also in my store. This right here sold for $27.99 with $10.60 shipping. Yep, and it was free to me. Next is the infamous jumpsuit that buyer left me a bad feedback on. So Barbie 1977 Best Buy Fashions 9966 jumpsuit. This went for 28. That's $4.25 shipping. These go for higher that I've seen people sell them for. So being that mine had a flaw or two in it, let me see. I lowered the price. I had a lot of watchers on it, and I ended up just going ahead and lowering the price because of the flaws. Can you see that? All that water spots all over. Yep. 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 So I showed, and oh, that one showed real good. Let's see which one is. Here it is. I do. Yeah. Yep. Spots right there, shown, and you can see them. Let me see. You can see it. Bing, 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 bing. Yep. And has spots on the jumper. Yep. Um, and that twit left me bad feedback. Yeah. Hmm. Yes, she did. Said it wasn't. Well, I made a video of that. I already talked about it. And just sticking the dagger in my heart. But anyway, yeah. Next up is 1984. I don't know, Sectars, Parafly, No Wings. This went for, and if I butchered that, sorry. I thought this was neat. It has no wings, so it is incomplete, and it's still sold for $13.45, free shipping. Yep, that's what it went for. Next up, we have a project doll. So yeah, this doll was uh I don't even know. I don't know if it's yard sale or back in the day when I used to go to garage sales and I just accumulated a whole bunch of dolls and still have a whole bunch, but I'll be trying to get those up. Anyway, she's messed up in the face. So I went ahead and removed the makeup on her face and all that and decided to sell her like this. And somebody bought her for $20, free shipping. Next is my Mega Blocks. I love some Mega Blocks. Yep, this is a Mega Blocks minifig horse figure. This is the black one. It went for $10.75, free shipping. And here's another one. This is the brown one that went for $10.75, free shipping. And yes, it went to the same buyer. Um, like I said, it's a little bitty. I can't believe I didn't have the ruler. I don't like that. I like to show what what's the length and stuff because normally when you don't show it, someone's going to ask you. So I rather have it already in the listing and they can look it up in the listing and see that I have it already. So, yep, Mega Blocks. This was a different buyer, guys, but I love the dragons. Look how awesome those are. Yep, picture don't do him justice. He went, and this is the Frost Dragon, and he went for $20, free shipping. Yep. hmm Some of these Mega Block figures, they're hard to find. I have some in my store that are little mini figs, and they're hard to find. Some of them are hard to find. Some of them you just lock together and try to get your um, profit from there. Here's the PJ Mask. I got that from that lot I told you about for $30. I bought it for 30, and it had the plush and some toys and all that. But this is Romeo, and he went for $14, free shipping. So, guys, do you do free shipping or do you um, charge for shipping? Because I'm trying to do both of them, see which one works for me. And so far as the free shipping. So, yeah, I mean, let me know. This one, I love, I love, I love. Look how cute he is. Yeah, he had sister. His sister sold on Poshmark. And yeah, I should have had Poshmark up, but I didn't. I'm sorry. He's a honey bunny, happy mates. He's a boy. Um, I believe I got this from a garage sale also. Again, it was a whole bag full of plush, and it was like $5. And these were in there. His sister has the pink on, and all that. He went for 150, so did his sister, on Poshmark. But he went for 150, and I did see other people having these for different prices, like 50 and $40, and I was like, no. I mean, theirs was pre-owned. Mine, I don't like calling anything that I didn't buy from the store myself um, new. Uh, Usually, I just said it has tags and it's in good condition, pre-owned. Yep. But again, 150.99 free shipping. So yeah, be on the lookout for them. They made of that parachute material. So yeah. Next up is Barbie Hallmark 1994. Excuse me. Sorry guys. Yep, they got this one. I mean, they got they got me on this one. I did not want to sell this for no $20, but I don't know what was wrong with me. I went through to put everything for free shipping, and I didn't go and adjust my prices on some of the items. You're gonna see with a pair of jeans also that the person got lucky by buying them. So yeah, so this went for $20, free shipping. Yeah, I'm expecting a good feedback. Anyway, didn't want to show their names up there, but okay. Next up is a Dymo label writer 4X. This, guys, I don't know what this used to be mine, and it stopped working. The labels kept getting uh, stuck in the feed right here. So I got tired of dealing with it. I ended up getting me another one, which was a lot cheaper than this originally was for. So yeah. And I had it in my house forever until I seen a video. Someone, what is his name? Dang it, thrift picker. Yeah. I'm gonna have to tell y'all because I really like him. He just showed that these were going for a great price. So yeah, I said I got one of those, and I hopped up and went to go get it, and just took some pictures of it and showed that it was working somewhat, that it needs to be fixed. So yeah, it sold for 130, free shipping, and I'm okay with that. I got some of my money back. Next up, guys, this was a great find. I wanted to keep this myself. Um, yeah, keep this myself, passed down generations to generations, but I will find another one, I'm sure. Um, it was in a lot of pens that I don't know if you guys remember. I had drove by this big estate sale, and they had books and books and books and books and all kinds of other stuff, which everybody was over there. So I ended up grabbing this box of books, and it had some pens and stuff in it. So I have a few of those in the store, but this one right here sold for $49.99, and this is the Black Panthers party. It's not Black Panther Marvel, no. It's the Black Panthers party. You know, breakfast. Free breakfast for the children and stuff. A lot of great stuff. But anyway, like I said, it sold for $49.99, $4.75 shipping. Oh, I'm getting sleepy, sleepy. Samsonite toys, Noah's Ark toy figure went for $13.88. And y'all, look how bad this is. This is terrible. I mean, because I love painting, I could redo that and painted it, but ain't nobody got time for that, you know. So, yeah, if I was going to paint, I would have been painting some stuff for my house, some artwork and stuff. But yeah, like I said, I don't have time right now. But yeah, he wasn't in the greatest of shape. He went for $13.88, and I got this from my neighbor around the corner. Um, this was day two that she's throwing out stuff, and she must have somebody there that collects toys, or these are some of her toys or something. I don't know, but yeah, she was getting rid of this too. And yeah, I got the Noah's Ark, which has a few chips and stuff on it. I think I'm gonna try to sell that in Facebook Marketplace. And I have some of the animals up in my store. So yep. Next up, Aeropostale mini skirt. Yeah, I just sold this. This is $25.77. Remember when I said that I'm putting in my store everything free? Yeah, they hopped on this also to get this. $25.75 free shipping. And this right here is a gotta steal. Wallflower jeans, size zero, woman skinny denim. Hmm. Yeah, these some nice jeans. Yep. And they got them for $18 free shipping. Yeah. So yep. I'm sorry. I'm moving stuff all around. I hope I didn't, make y'all dizzy. Hmm. Yep. So yeah. I don't know why I am sleepy like that. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end that with that. Thank you for stopping by and check out my videos. Yeah, if you have some kind of, like I ask all the time, some kind of comment of encouragement or word of encouragement, or I need to do this better, okay, all that, drop it down below. I will talk to you later. Everyone have a great